I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach and bacon potato salad. This is kind of a yin-yang salad because you get the bacon, which is, just nice and decadent, and then you eat some spinach, so, you can kind of ease your guilt about it. I have some red potatoes that I've cooked up. Red potatoes are a great potato to use in a potato salad. They keep a really nice texture. These are russet potatoes. They're not a potato you want to use in a potato salad because they get kind of mealy. So I have cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces and I boiled them for 5 to 10 minutes until they're soft but not mushy. I'm going to add just a little bit of crumbled bacon. And then I have some spinach and I'm just going to cut it in ribbons here. I'm going to add some chopped fresh chives, mayonnaise, and a little bit of salt. And there you have a spinach and bacon potato salad.